All right, boys, we're back. We've got part 7 of our 1993 Upper Deck Series 1 baseball cards. So we get the couple inserts, the iOS collection, Willie Mays Baseball Heroes cards, which we haven't gotten any of those yet. I'd like to hit one of those just to get a look at it. So we start off with Paul Ossenmacher, which is one of my favorite baseball names ever. Gerald Williams. Another Paul Ossenmacher. That's happened a couple times in these packs. Marquise Grissom. Gary Sheffield. Ron Gant. Jose Lind. Dennis Cook. Tom Caninati. John Jaha. Derek Bell. Mike Greenwell. Derek Lilligist. We get a star rookie Sterling Hitchcock. And we finish up with a Community Heroes Tony Pena. So, not really much in this pack at all. Still looking for that Willie Mays Baseball Heroes card. What are the... Does it give us... I guess 1 in 27 is what it's saying is the odds. And this had 36 packs in it, so I should at least find one, theoretically. So hopefully we do. As always, appreciate you. Have a good one.